Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about traversing a binary tree and their types. Binary tree can be traversed in the three categories, that is pre-order, in-order and post-order. Here see, binary tree pre-order is first we write the, for example take this, first we write the root node, that is A. After that we write the parent nodes, that is B. After that we write the child node, that is T. After that we write the E. After that we write the H. Here understood? First we write the root node A. After that we have taken the parent node P and related nodes we have write here. Now see here, after the H node we go to the another parent node, that is C. After that we go to the F. After that we go to the G. After that I. After that K. After that J. Have you understood? In this way we represent the traversing tree. Traversing of a binary tree means that crossing is it so that each node is visited exactly once. Binary tree can be traversed in the number of ways. The different primarily in order, pre-order, in order in which they visit the nodes. The most common three traversing are in order, pre-order and post-order. In order, first of all take the root node and we take the parent nodes one after other. Understood? And now take in order. In order, first visit the first traverse the left subtree. Next visit the root. Traverse the right subtree. Means see here, first traverse the left subtree, that is here. See, there are two subtrees here. One subtree is this and another subtree is this. First we traverse the left subtree, that is D. After that we go to the B. After that we go to the H. After that we go to the E. This is the left subtree. After that we go to the root node. Now again we will go to the right subtree. This is the left subtree, that is this. We go to the root. After that we go to the right subtree. Here D, after that B, after that H, after that E, after that A, after that F after that C after that K after that I after that G after that J. Have you understood? Have you understood pre-order and in order? In pre-order, first we go to the root node. After that we traverse to the left subtree. After that we go to the right subtree. But in order, we go to the first left subtree. After that we go to the root node. After that we traverse to the right subtree. Now we will discuss about the post order. Post order is same as pre-order. Here Post order means first start the right subtree. After that, left subtree. Last we'll visit the root node. See here. This is the left subtree. This is the left subtree. Means D, H, E, B. After that, we go to the right subtree. Here this is the right subtree. Means F, K, I, J, G, C. After that, we go to the root node. Have you understood? Have you understood the whole topic? In pre-order, first we will go to the root node. After that, we go to the left subtree. After that, we go to the right subtree. In order, we will go to the left subtree. After that, we go to the root. After that, we go to the right subtree. In post order, we go to the left subtree. After that, we go to the right subtree. After that, we go to the root node. Have you understood? Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.